subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Hong Kong-based smartphone company Infinix has launched its new budget smartphone under Hot series called Infinix Hot 12 Play. Talking about the specifications, the Infinix Hot 12 Play features a tall 6.82-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by an unknown octa-core 2.3 GHz processor paired with 4 or 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 512 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Infinix Hot 12 Play supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 13MP primary camera along with a 2MP secondary sensor, and there is 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 and it packs with a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 170.47 by 77.6 by 8.32mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Infinix Hot 12 Play has been priced in Thailand for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 3,999 Thai baht, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 4,299 Thai baht. The smartphone is now available for purchase in some countries across the world in black, green, blue, and gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Hot 12 Play smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.